Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the topic bioinformatics for beginners sequence file format. This topic I will discuss about two different way. First, introduction. The introduction to sequence file format. In the study of bioinformatics, there exists many different file format that store DNA and protein sequence information. This is similar kind of a thing. Suppose we have a kind of text which you want to save. We can say PDF format, file format, the text format, word format, etc. Different kinds of way. So various format to use this text line. Similarly, biological experiment information can be saved in different file format. So now this file format depend on what kind of information we want to save. Suppose we have a DNA sequence or protein sequence information. As far as possible, there are many way or kind of tools to save. There is no one sequence format is ideal. Many are used in different contexts and can often be converted from to another for easier to access or sharing. This is a main example of this biological sequence file format. It is easier to access and sharing. In biological sequence database is a large organized body persistent data associated with computerized software designed by update, query and retrieve component of the data stored within a sequence. There are different kind of file formats like FASTA format, GenBank, EMBL, AVI, PDF, SwissProt, BAM, SAM, SFF, etc. Next, I will discuss about FASTA format. FASTA format is pronounced by fast A. Format is a simple type of format that bioinformaticians use to represent either nucleotide or protein sequence. You can say FASTA format. File format name as a FASTA and file extension is file FA, file FASTA and file FCA. Example like as a FASTA arrow. This is means of similar kinds of sequence. This code, this first line begins with greater than without any protein or nucleotide sequence, and the code is entered next to followed by comments, and this line DNA or protein sequence followed by. This file has extension by FASTA format. Next, I will discuss about GenBank. GenBank are quite possible standard in sequence file format. The GenBank format is widely used by public databases such as NCBI. The file format is used by NCBI. The GenBank file format is quite flexible and allow annotation, comments, and reference to be included within the file. The GenBank nucleotide database maintained by National Center for Biotechnology Information (NCBI) USA, which is a part of National Institute of Federal Agency of US government. This database is available at the website. GenBank is a part of International Nucleotide Sequence. That data is exchanged with other databases of basis sequence can be easily downloaded in FASTA format. GenBank, a plate file or ASN format. One can also submit nucleotide sequence utilizing bank. Next, I will discuss about EMBL. The full form of EMBL is European Molecular Biology Laboratory. The European Molecular Biology Laboratory maintains by European Bioinformatics Institute originated from it is USA. The EMBL database constitute European molecular sequence for DNA and RNA. EMBL database information are available at our website. It is free to easier and sharing. The wave in allowing to maintain it fast and to submit nucleotide sequence and easy to access faster format. Similar in form GenBank file, the EMBL format is used to public databases such as European Molecular Laboratory. The GenBank file format is quite flexible and allow annotation, comments, references to be included within the file. Next, ABI. ABI is a binary file format containing Sanger sequencing. It is also must conserve sequence and this containing a Sanger sequences and trace data. This binary file format are allow and access the Sanger sequence and it trace data. The file format is used by sequencing facility and require a special render capability of reading and file format to view the trace data and extract the file formats. Next, BAM or SAM. BAM SAM format contains the next generation sequencing data. The BAM is a binary file format while the SAM is a file format contains the same information but it's text based. These two different kinds of sequence database and this is file sequence. You can easily to understand and know as a next generation sequencing data in this file format. Okay. Next, I will discuss about protein information resources that I cannot include this file format. It is division of National Biomedical Research Foundation (NBRF) in USA. The part of protein sequence information are available in our website. Now I will discuss about SwissProt. SwissProt is a part of protein sequence database available in our website, provide a high level of annotation with a maximum return train and a high level of integration with the other databases. So thank you dear friends and colleagues. Please like this video and subscribe the channel for more video and share our friend. Please like and subscribe the video.